In this video, we're going to go over floor plans, how to upload and then add hotspots to them. So when you come into your tour, the floor plans actually have their own uploader. You upload all your media, all your stills, panos, videos, everything in the upload media section to the media manager. Floor plans are one of the things that you upload with their own upload page. So you go under the upload section, upload floor plans, and then you can either browse, go find your floor plans. Let's see here. There we go. Or you can also go back to the floor plan area. You can also drag and drop from your computer. If you go find the floor plan, and then you can just drag it right into that box and upload. And when it's done uploading, it'll bring you to the floor plan editor. So this is where you can put hotspots on the floor plans to the different scenes. So to do that, all we have to do is, you've got your default, the first floor plan loaded. To change which one you want to edit, you just click that green arrow, and that will load the other floor plan. So from that point, you can add hotspots to it by simply clicking on one of your scenes, which are all over here. You'll see they've got these little icons up in the upper right corner that designate what kind of scene it is. These with the arrow left and right, that means it's a pano. These down here, these are stills. You can add hotspots to either to a floor plan, and you just click the green arrow. And there you go. It'll put the camera icon, which is a hotspot, to that scene right on the floor plan. Then you can click and hold to drag it to where you want it to be on the floor plan. So we'll put this down here. And when you get it placed, you just click Save. Now, if you're putting a hotspot to a pano, one thing you can do is adjust the radar, which is, when you're viewing the tour, there will be a radar that spins around as the pano spins, so it will tell the viewer where they're looking on the floor plan as the pano spins around. So to adjust that floor plan, we've got to click on it, and then click this green arrow to load the scene here. And then you see we've got the pano in the background, and as we click and hold that radar, we can adjust where it goes. So if you need to change where that's calibrated, you can adjust, click and hold to drag around the pano, and then click that calibrate radar, and then drag the radar to where you want it to be. And there it is. So now when you look around the pano, you'll see that radar is now calibrated to where you wanted it to look. So it's pretty easy to work with these floor plans. A few other options down here. You can click this to hide the radar altogether if you don't want it to show up on the floor plan. Then you've also got down here a few different options, and these control how the floor plan will appear on the tour. So you've got a few different styles to choose from. Layover, that's going to be basically the floor plan just kind of hovers over the left side of the screen, and it's right over the picture. Or you can do pull out, which will pull the floor plan out and shrink down the photo. Or you can do a split screen, which puts the floor plan on one side and the tour plays on the other side in a split screen. And you can also change what side of the screen it plays on, the background color, floor plan status. That determines whether the floor plan will be open automatically or if the user will have to click a button. Floor plan icon, that you can change whether it's this camera icon, or you can choose from a couple other icons here, a target or a dot. You can also adjust the size of that icon, making it tiny all the way up to large. And then you can adjust the background color as well. So if you need to delete a hotspot, you can also do that pretty easily. Just click on the icon and then click that X, It'll ask you if you're sure you want to delete the hotspot. Okay, and there it's gone. So that's basically floor plans. They're pretty easy to work with. You can then go through and add as many hotspots to a floor plan as you want. It's pretty easy. Switch back and forth, add more hotspots, and always make sure you save often as you make changes.